Lot number 3579A. Here we have ourselves a 2004 Polaris MSX 110 4-stroke turbo. We are parting this machine out. If you need parts off this machine, you can call us at 218-844-4968. The video date is August 27th of 2018 is when we tore this machine down. This machine does start, it does run. We will start it here in a second. I'll just do a walk around quick, show you that it's clean freshwater boat. Some of the parts have already been taken off. They're selling just as fast as we're taking them off. Alright, if you want to start it, you can sure can. We'll do a video of an engine compression test in a different video. Thanks for stopping by.